Hello everyone and welcome to another video with Zenphi. Today I'm going to be walking you through what you can do within your Zenphi admin portal. If you've never accessed the admin portal before, it's available at admin.zenphi.io and it's available to all of our Ultimate and Enterprise customers. Let's start with the first tab, which is going to appear when you go to the home page. Here you're going to be able to see all of your current workspaces as well as be able to create new ones. Now here you'll see a list of existing ones. You're able to see how many flows they've used, the region, and you can do things like edit. Here you're going to be able to decide how much flow quota that specific workspace is going to be able to have, the retention period, as well as a custom slug. You can also launch or delete your workspaces directly from here, and you can create a new one by clicking on Add Workspace. All you'll need to do is update this information and then log out and log back in, and you'll be able to see your new workspace appear in the list previously mentioned. And what this will do is allow you to be able to allocate your flow quota within your different workspaces, just in case one requires more flows than another. Moving on to the next tab, we have Manage Admin Users. Here you're going to be able to grant permission to other users in your domain to be able to view the admin panel. If you want to be able to add a new administrator, you can do so by clicking on the Add Administrator button, adding their first, last name, and their email. However, you can also delete them by clicking on Remove the Admin User button. The last button we have is the Recycle bin. Now here you're going to be able to recover workspaces that were previously deleted. You'll be able to see the name of the workspace, the region, the deleted time, and then you'll be able to see the Restore button. To be able to restore a workspace, what you're going to need to do is log out and log back in. All flows will be restored to their last saved state, however, they must be republished before they can be used, so you will have to go in and republish any flows before they are automatically live. Down at the bottom, you'll be able to see how many workspaces you've used. So for example, if you're an Ultimate user, you have access to 5, and you'll also be able to see how many flows you've used as well. If you have any questions regarding the Zenphi admin panel, remember that you can always contact us. There is a way to be able to access the chat on this screen. Simply click here or send us an email. We are always happy to help our customers.